and I wanted to just ask them why we didn't make it.
Oh.
And then we were told it's an older, all-white male jury. It is difficult because when you're in indie, it's a little bit hard. So we decided to go the whole mile ourselves, raise capital, and we made it on our own terms. Actors only talk about the preparation before the film is released, before anyone's even said, okay, you were good in it, but we know all about their gym routines, how many carrots they ate, and it's ridiculous.
I was scared to play loud songs.
Of course you should be.
Yeah, and
Loud
I was like, I can't go for late night walks because I don't know, what if Richa ma'am just comes and scolds me?
I have nothing better to do than to police your nighttime walks.
He's not manipulative.
I'm
Richa, I think,
joking.
but I think, yeah.
I'm joking. It's a joke. They laugh.
Okay, we are happy. But this is literally how it was. And I should tell this to a wall. The wall will respond better. The happiness is shared by everyone, my friends and family too, even unknown friends of mine or unknown other female or independent film directors.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Richa, Kani, Keshav, Preeti and Ali. Hi, how are you?
Awesome.
You know, to start with, the other day when we were there at the trailer preview, Richa and Ali, both of you said that, we really went around pitching this film. And you went to the Cannes film market also. I don't know whether it was for this
we
film.
didn't go to the Cannes film market for this film.
Okay.
And we went to Cannes only because it was in the shortlist for last year to be in the top 10 of the year for either Uncertain Regard. That was the category because that honors first-time filmmakers.
Right.
So we almost made it. So we had some other meetings lined up, and I wanted to just ask them why we didn't make it.
Oh.
And then we were told it's an older, all-white male jury.
Okay. No, but what I was getting into is this. Can you tell me a little bit about the journey that you both have had pitching this film everywhere and whether your production house was actually launched to push or produce this film in particular?
Oh, it's called pushing button. A lot of conversations went into creating that space, and this happened to be the first one, championed already by Richa, at a very, very early stage. In fact, us waqt humne naam bhi nahi rakha tha, and I think you submitted Kamli Productions or something.
And Shuchi without us because
Kamli is your cat.
Kamli is my cat.
Yeah.
Kamli is our cat. And she lives in New York now after marriage, and she was waiting for me to wake up for something. She was like, I need to make a submission. So I just made up a company name called Kamli Pictures and made a submission at the NFDC Film Bazaar for that reason.
Okay.
But yeah, that's how this came into being. And we didn't go around pitching it to many people. We were looking for finance for this film, but it's difficult because when you're in indie, it's a little bit hard. So we decided to go the whole mile ourselves, raise capital, and we made it on our own terms.
But you said it right that day. It's like filling a migrant, immigrant, whatever.
Visa.
Yeah. I really hope there's somebody, or other production houses should make this whole process easy and accessible to producers, because it really helps to kind of have the script sent to different script labs all across the world. It just helps the maker become better and better and better. And finally, when we were shoot ready, I think the script was, A-okay, it was perfect, And then it just gives you room to lift off then.
Absolutely, absolutely. Guys, did they come on set, help you out with scenes? Because actors, including Kani herself, were you intimidated by them ever?
No, honestly on set it was very disciplined, and the only person we were getting any inputs from was the director, and that's how it remained. They were really helpful on set. I think in the first few days we were shooting outdoors with a lot of kids, so they were there and they were helping distract them and also to direct them to be in lines. But they also ensured that they don't interfere between us and Shuchi's communication.
Right.
But everything post the film, they've always guided us and been with us and been in touch with us. Kani also was like extremely supportive, and she let us have that space to, explore the scene and not, it gets confusing because when you're first timers and you're also almost like a sponge, you want to take information from everyone and you're very confused ki whose information is correct and whose information is not.
True.
And so it was important to maintain that, singular input. But from Kani's side, I think what I really enjoyed and what Keshav also pointed out in an interview was that I don't think I was aware that before approaching a scene, you could have a discussion or you could question, like you could sit down with the director and you could question that what exactly is happening in this scene, how is it flowing, why is the character, thinking this way, why is the character saying this way, and that's something I learned from her.
Yeah.
So before certain scenes, all three of us would sit down and Shuchi would be there and we would have a discussion as to why the scene is flowing like that. So I really enjoyed.
That really helps.
Yeah,
I'm
that really
sure.
helps. Yeah.
But, not all directors would love that.
No, yeah.
It's also for me when the director also wants that, and
Yeah.
Shuchi was like that, even Payal was like that. They like it. Two different directors, but still there are directors who wouldn't want any of that also. So it really depends on that.
Yeah.
And otherwise, they're like, why are you asking so many questions just to go do it?
Yeah, I've been
What's
told
your
once.
motivation? Your paycheck is your motivation.
No, not just here. I've been told once by a very, very good director. So I've cast you for a reason. Now you do you.
Yeah,
I
like
trust in you. Like
yeah,
you
yeah,
interpret, and I like.
and it is not because of money. Sometimes their style is different. They
Style thing, yeah.
Like the first time the school I studied, theater school I studied, we are not supposed to discuss a lot.
Okay.
You just observe. In fact, it's banned, and you're not supposed to particularly discuss the psychological journey of the character. Absolutely not. It's because the school is about not doing that, but reaching out to different craft to play the character. So it really depends on, like, Shuchi was a director who would like this, and even so, me as an actor, just being okay, this is how this side of me as an actor should be open, and that's how we're gonna probably mold the character or interpret the character. That it depends on that also.
Do any of these characters, to all of you, do they stay with you after you? What does that mean? Does it stay with you? Does it mean anything, or does it's bullshit? No, like traits, habits.
Physically, something if I'm doing,
Yeah.
like, then it can stay like.
Yeah.
Like some tiny things, sometimes I try to change it, the way I sit or something, and then it has to be yours, so you practice. Then after shooting also, it can stay little longer because you try to keep it in your body.
Kani changed her walk for this film.
Yeah. And I also put a suit for this film. I had Oh, you didn't know? Like, I had an extra, like, to change the line of my body.
Yeah.
I had
Add layer of fat.
Yeah.
like, so it changed, like otherwise the fabric falls on your body in a certain way. And
But I mean, she's a great actor because not one PR peg we've given about Kani giving interviews about, I wore a bodysuit for this. And like, sometimes I feel like actors only talk about the preparation before the film is released, before anyone's even said, okay, you were good in it, but we know all about their gym routines, how many carrots they ate, and it's ridiculous. But I mean,
I mean, some of these things that something happening.
Ali's giving a look. No. I said
two
how
carrots
many
in my
carrots? He
salad.
said 2.
No, but you know what you asked them. I remember the last time when we spoke during this Mirzapur, you had said that you had started walking like Guddu Pandit.
I actually said exactly what she said.
Yeah.
That the physical habits sometimes linger on.
Yeah.
But my question was the psychological journey. Does that sometimes linger on? And that is.
I don't personally just go. I can go completely crazy. Then I think I don't know. Like, when I'm in, also I'm in a way that I'm out also when I can be out. Like, because in theater also when we do, sometimes we do 2-3 different characters within a play.
Yeah.
And even a production, like we all, of course, will know, and you are there also, you're going into the character, but in the same 2 hours, you're becoming another person.
Yeah.
Like, so I think
Yeah.
I think that works
That
for
trains
me
well.
better.
Yeah.
There are actors who sometimes you can, like, it depends on how much it, but ideally I wouldn't want that.
Yeah. But since this is your first project as a film, as a as producers, were you on set very often? Just
On,
to
on the last border of the set. Where?
Outer periphery.
Outer periphery.
yeah.
Well, with the accounts team. No, I'm just kidding. No, we were on set a lot. We were on set a lot, but we tried to not be in their way.
Because
Also, the
you
film has
tend
so
to-
many silences and, intimate things happening in gazes, quiet touches. So anybody's presence,
Yeah.
This set was particularly anyway. One thing I loved about this, I was like quiet enough to just get the story right. Everyone was like
their job.
contributing to that. Like, I'll do my job, but in the most quiet way, and I'm invisible. But
Right,
I'll
right.
try to make it happen. And from the producer side to everyone knows like that on set, which was a nice practice, and if possible, it's like really they got the ideal set. Like
Yeah.
I
To start
like,
with, yeah.
I really never this opportunity is never there almost.
Yeah, guys, remember, henceforth it won't be so quiet.
We were told this on the set that you all are being spoiled on this first film. Don't ever think that this is how it works. So be prepared for this.
No, but demand it. You know, it's okay to demand it, and it's fine. Like, how about you learn that from the start and let it be that for the rest of your careers? Like, who knows?
Ask
you
for
know?
some silence.
Yeah.
Yeah, generally,
Maybe
no
better.
screaming. It's not just for actors, for everyone's work. Like, so I think in India we have a tendency when something, "Arey, just do like we
Yeah.
And interior actors are like, everything was happening. Just everyone had patience. It was just nice.
Silently happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. But, going back to what I was asking to the both of you, Keshav, tell me, when you have ace actors, like, these three, associated with this project, don't you, while I understand, Shuchi was there, to help you in every way, but didn't you feel that urge to really go up to them and, ask for inputs, for feedback?
Hi.
Unlike her, I was very much intimidated.
Okay.
And they were my neighbors. I mean, we all were staying in the same place. So they were my neighbors. I was scared to play loud songs. Of
course you should be.
Yeah, and I was like, I can't go for late night walks because I don't know. What if Richa just comes and scolds me?
What, Richard? This kind of vibe you
No,
give
no,
over.
it didn't happen. But
But did you did go for late night walk?
so
She kept a tabs.
You guys went to the other hotel.
after
where
2 days, when I
where
said
the
that, they're
other
very chill.
the hotel that was close to the
Yeah,
river, you
yeah.
were going there. You think what? I have nothing better to do than to police your nighttime walks,
No,
and
then-
you can play music loudly if the music is good. Because even I was playing music.
But then, yeah, they were, and thankfully, she had made it a thing
Yeah.
that they were not allowed, like both of them didn't come to us and,
Yeah.
talk anything about shooting or acting.
Right, right.
But I still went up to him and was like,
Quiet.
please, मुझे कुछ tips दे दो.
दिया फिर उन्होंने दिया
Yeah,
फिर
no,
उसको
no,
11
it's really
रुपए
helped me
देना।
also. He said, I'll tell you one thing and that really helped me. बता दूं?
बता दो हाँ अब बोली दो अब बोल
तो
दिया
उन्होंने
तो
कहा था कि it's okay to keep a part of yourself in your character.
हाँ।
And yeah, I think that
You were asking me, should I become like a Tyrannosaurus? I'm kidding. But I'm messing with you. He's extra humble, and he puts. Sorry, but in his thing, he puts out an extra sort of कि मैं बिल्कुल नहीं जानता हूँ. ये बहुत जानता है. He's very aware. He just wants that. He's in asking any question
Right.
to anybody in the most innocent way, he manages to get answers in between those spots.
Smart guy.
So extra hai, which is great, I think, for an actor to be so.
So basically, he's like his character from the film.
No, he's not.
He knows,
manipulative.
but he doesn't show.
He's not manipulative.
I'm
which I think,
joking.
but I think. Yeah.
I'm joking. It's a joke. They laugh.
Okay. We are getting cues to cut this, but moving on. What was my main takeaway? Main takeaway as an audience, something which I really connected to is the nuances in the mother-daughter relationship, and we don't portray that too often here because this relationship is something that's always put on a pedestal. The last film that I can think of is Lady Bird, but that's an international film. Why do you think, Richa, or anyone, that we do not show these things? Do you think it's the question of morality also?
Even in the West, I think this theme is very less
very
touched
prevalent.
upon.
Okay.
There's no morality. What's the morality between
that-
a mother and daughter?
No, in the sense that, you cannot be showing a very complicated, bittersweet relationship. You're supposed to
Right.
look up to your mother.
No.
Do you think that's...
I think it's because we insult the intelligence of the audience when we think it's complicated. Of course, mothers and daughters and mothers and sons and fathers and daughters are complicated. But then, you get a beautiful film from the West. After Sun बना दी किसी ने तो there'll be 20 studios here will be like थोड़ा वो type का reference में एक बना के दो हमको. So it's so confusing. I think when we say that we can't make this or we shouldn't and the audience won't get it, everyone will get it.
Yeah.
But it's just that we think they won't get it and we start to assume that and we slowly start to dumb down everything.
And the first one to take the risk, like I was thinking like Shuchi was daring enough to write it and then you were like, yes, we see it and we support it. That's very important. There might be such stories always, which is also like truthful and maybe we are not, and maybe you don't really find the right producers on time to really see what it is and to support that.
Sure.
And that's very important too, I think.
Absolutely. But Kanya, congratulations on having a fabulous year. Congratulations on the Golden Globe nominations.
Yay!
Yes, that's a great thing. What was your first reaction like when you got the news?
About which one?
Love that. Let's talk about Golden Globes.
Actually
Probably asleep and being like, क्या हुआ? Tell me in the morning.
Actually, even Khan, Divya and I, we were my co-actor. We were when Payal said, "We will call you tomorrow," and when she said, we both were like, okay, nice. This is literally how our reaction.
Really?
You guys are so lame. We both are like, okay. We are happy. But this is literally how it was. And I should tell this to a wall. The wall will respond better.
So this time also same reaction.
I mean, I'm very happy. It's not like a happiness for just, I was in this film. I don't know. It's also India. And it's like, I'm friends with a lot of writers and especially female writers. I'm not classifying them, but I have a lot of female friends who are amazing minds and who have beautiful stories to say. It's just like when something like this happens, it's just like, it's a happiness shared with everyone.
Yeah.
That feeling only. I'm not like specific. I was just lucky to be part of it. And it's originally for me, a film is the authors, the director. And for me,
absolutely.
I really feel like, because we have many incredible actors here, and if it wasn't me, someone else would have also played slightly differently, but again, equally like amazingly or even better.
Yeah.
So for me, it's the credit alone is for me always Payal or Shuchi. Like that's how I see it. And we actors and every component else is like part of it. And but the happiness is shared by everyone, my friends and family too, even unknown friends of mine or unknown other female or independent film directors. It's a journey of all of us. That's how I see it. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Historic, man. It's
Historic.
Yeah.
History has been scripted for sure. Well, on that note, thank you so much to all of you. Good luck for Girls Will Be Girls. I'm going to rewatch it because I watched it on Mami. Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
good luck. Looking forward to what all of you do next.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.